Welcome to Vector Part 2. Parallelogram law. If two vector act along two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then resultant of the two vector will be along the diagonal is drawn from the intersecting point of that two adjacent sides, and its formula is r equals square root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha.
Question 20. N and 10n forces act an angle 60 degree with each other. Find resultant of these two forces. Formula r equals square root p squared plus q squared plus 2pq cos alpha square root 20 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 20 into 10 cos 60 degree equals square root 700. N formula of finding direction tan theta equals q sin alpha divided by p plus q cos alpha. Values of r1 max equals p plus q when theta equals 0 degree. Then vectors p and q act in the same direction and parallel to each other. 2. A min equals p tilde q when theta equals 180 degree. Then two vectors are in opposite direction to each other. 3. Simply r equals square root p squared plus q squared when theta equals 90 degree. Then vectors p and q are perpendicular to each other. Resolution of vector. The method of converting a vector into more than one vector is called resolution of vector. Here, horizontal rx equals cos theta equals 10 cos 30 degree equals 5 square root 3 vertical y equals r sin theta equals 10 sin 30 degree equals 5. Representation of vector in terms of components. This is two-dimensional. A equals xi plus yj modulus a equals square root x squared plus y squared. This is three-dimensional. A equals xi plus yj plus zk a equals square root x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Addition and subtraction of vector. P vector equals 2i plus 3j plus 5k and q vector equals i2j. Find 5 modulus p vector plus q vector. P vector plus q vector equals 2 plus minus 1 i plus 3 plus minus 2 j plus 5 plus 0 k equals I plus j plus 5k. Modulus p vector plus q vector equals square root 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 squared plus 5 squared equals square root 27. Now 5 modulus p vector plus q vector equals 5 times 27 equals 15 square root 3. Rectangular unit vector. The unit vector which act along x, y, and z axis are called rectangular unit vector. Multiplication of dot product. You have to remember I cap dot I cap equals 1, j cap dot j cap equals 1, k cap dot k cap equals 1. Let's solve a question of dot product. E vector equals 4i plus 5j minus 3k. B vector equals 2i minus 2j plus 6k. E vector dot B vector equals the 8th of October 18 equals minus 20. Note, if two vectors are perpendicular with each other, then their dot product will be 0.